different about you, but I think I like you this way. Need something to put me to bed now, cause you got me running away. Baby, I just might come over and get in your bed right now. Baby, you can't get enough and you're turning me red right now. I don't think I saw that shit coming the way you be touching me. You could do it again and again and it's still not enough for me. Or maybe I knew this would happen, I knew you would poison me. Maybe I wanted to end, but depend on the way that it tortures me. I'm stuck in the heat of the moment. You're getting me going, you're getting me. Tell me again what you think about when you wake up in the morning. Tell me again who you're missing, who you're missing.